When we first open Microsoft Excel, we see an interface like this. From here, we select Blank Workbook to start working. After opening the workbook, you will notice letters such as A, B, C, D, E at the top. These are called columns. On the left side, you will see numbers like 1, 2, 3, which are called rows. Now we understand what a column and a row are. Let's highlight the columns with one color and the rows with another color. You can also see that a column and a row intersect at one point. This intersection is called a cell. Every cell has a unique name, known as the cell reference. For example, if the cell is in column D and row 4, its cell reference is D4. So remember, columns are labeled with letters, A, B, C, D4. Rows are labeled with numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4. The point where a row and a column intersect is called a cell. At the top of Excel, we also have different tabs, such as Home, Insert, Page Layout, Formulas, and many more. We will learn each of them step by step. In today's lesson, we will focus on the Home tab. Inside the Home tab, you can see options like Cut, Copy, Paste, and Format Painter. We have already learned about these, so now let's create a simple table. First, let's clear the existing content. Then we'll enter the following headings. SL No. Name, Class. Now let's enter the first record. SL No. 1. Name. Prasanta Pandit. Class. XI. Since the first row contains headings, we should format it differently. We will apply a dark background color, change the font color to white, and make the text bold so that it stands out. Notice that the name Prasanta Pandit is too long and doesn't fit inside the cell. To fix this, click on the boundary between columns B and C. When the double-headed arrow appears, drag the boundary to increase the column width until the text fits properly. Next, align the headings and the class information to the center while keeping the name left aligned for better readability. Now let's enter the second record. SL No. 2. Name. Bidya. Class. XI. Instead of typing serial numbers one by one, type 1 and 2. Select both cells and drag the fill handle downward. Excel will automatically continue the sequence, 3, 4, 5, and so on. There are also formulas and other methods for generating serial numbers automatically, which we'll learn later. The remaining information can be entered in the same way. That's all for today's lesson.